Hey guys, welcome back to my channel On My Toes. Today's video is a collaboration. Today's video is all about, yes, you saw that right, a planner for 2021 for just ₹99 only. So those who are just starting to get used to the planner 2021, so here's a basic and simple form of planner that is being created by Kashmira. She owns a page in Instagram as That Everyday Thought. Trust me, this is going to be the most useful thing in 2021. Beginners who are just wanting to know what a planner exactly is, this is the basic planner which is in the digital form. Also, you can get it printed out as per your requirements and it is also customizable. That Everyday Thought has taken all possible feedbacks and consolidated in such a way that each one of you can easily use this planner, whether you are entrepreneur, student, a content creator or a blogger. There are 2 to 3 options available in the planner. 1. A digital planner which is available in the Excel sheets. 2. A digital planner which is just a simple plain black and white in color in the form of PDF. 3. A colorful planner which is a form of PDF. So let's see what's exciting in store in this planner. This planner is created in a simple plain and black and white format because That Everyday Thought wants you guys to add colors into and make day-to-day hectic life colorful. We will see how can one add colors in planner in throughout the video. So this is how the cover looks like. Simple, very basic. You can obviously make it interesting using washi tapes or highlighters or colorful pens. Second page, you need to add your name, email ID and number, or just simply write your name and add quote of the year whichever suits your personality and your upcoming rocking year. Now let's move on to the very important page of the planner, which is 21 things to do before 2021. On this page, write all your pending things which you want to do before 2020 ends. For example, to lock any projects or deals, or if you're a student, you can decide to finish subjects or partially pending chapters. I'm very sure if you don't have 21 things, but you obviously have 10 to 12 things which you want to get rid of before 2020. So this was 21 things to do before 2021. Next is vision board. This is summary of your 2021. Here you can write or stick photos of your goals for 2021. It may be professionally or personally. There are various videos available on vision board. You can always go and check out for 2 or more of it. Also, if you have been planning for a vision board and have space constraint like me, you can have the vision board in the planner itself. As this is the customized planner, you can add as many pages as you want. So let's go to the next page, which is the year 2021 at a glance. Here, 2021 calendar is given along with the holidays, which will help you plan the year properly. This is one unique thing about the planner as it shows you the most important days, so you don't have to miss or reschedule your work anytime. Talking about yearly goals, here is the next page on which you will set your yearly goals in different categories like financial, spiritual, personal, health, career and travel, etc. If you want to make an investment or you want to purchase something big like home, car, you can write it in financial. Now we want you to focus on your health. As you guys know, health is wealth. So write all your health related goals like diet, workout, etc. in health category. Now your mental health is equally important. So you can do meditation to calm and balance your mind. Next page also talks about yearly goals in different way, which is more important to everyone. Page title says, this year I will start, try, quit, avoid, improve, learn and visit. In start section, let me tell you how I have filled this page. I want to start saying no to things which I don't want to do. I'm the person who cannot say no. I know many of you will relate to this. Anyways, I also want to start reading books. Because of the hectic schedule, I couldn't do it in this year. So I wrote it in the start section. I have to try reading more books. To quit, overthinking. To avoid junk, toxic and negative people, etc. Improve my immunity and social life. Learn music. Visit, I have a secret list though. So coming to the next birthday page, to write all your loved ones' birth date, to wish them on time and to plan something for them. It's a self-explanatory page. By the way, let's go to the next page. Next is a very important tracker who keeps forgetting to pay monthly bills like electricity, water bill, or recharge phone or TV or your subscription. Then you come to the month page where you can mark your boring black and white planner with colors with help of color coding. You can color code the things from very beginning to avoid confusions. For example, you can decide one color for your client or one for your subject to segregate the thing neatly. Here on month page, you can mark your important appointments with the doctor or client meeting. There are various ways to use this page. One can use to set reminder for taking medicines, which one to take once a week only. Bloggers can use this to highlight the days or which they want to shoot, edit or upload or to write script. Do let me know how you're going to use this page in comment section so that everyone will have an idea. Also, there is an empty space for writing motivational quote for the month. Do not miss this. Let's go to the next page, which is a habit tracker. This is super important to inculcate good habit or to track things daily. Now, let's move on to the weekly goals. Here, you can plan your entire week as per your choice and priorities. Check your yearly and monthly goals to fill weekly goals. If you have noticed, there is a very small space to plan Sunday. That everyday thought wants you to take a break on Sunday and relax. Have a good time with friends and family, give time for yourself and enjoy a weekend so that you'll be charged up for the next coming productive week. Now, the next page is to-do list. Guys, if you're like me who always forget very small things and makes to-do list for those items too, this page is perfect for you. Here, there are various things to write here about clients, about syllabus, about your housework. If you want to do a smallest thing, write it down so that you won't skip it, or basically this planner is going to help you to get your life together, which was messed up in 2020. And water tracker is also included to inspire for drinking good amount of water. So talking about Sundays and pampering it, it also includes entertainments. There are times when we have nothing to do and we are getting bored without knowing what to do time pass. Here I have a solution. This planner will help you for that. Here you can make lists in 3 categories: movies, reading list, travel and outing. Mostly what happens, we watch some trailer or book reviews and decide to watch it. But later we forget due to busy life. So from now, whenever you watch trailer, if you want to watch movie, write it immediately. This list will save your time in searching good movies on weekends. Also guys, whenever you go out to see a new food joint or good gaming place or anything like that and we decide to go there someday, but that someday never comes because that day comes, we forget that places and amazing views. So no more missing new places and food joints due to this list. Now let's go to the meal tracker. This is a meal tracker. It is very important to track meal for a complete month or for a week. Here, tracker is divided in morning, afternoon, evening and night. Due to this tracker, you'll come to know how much proteins and junk you have eaten during month or a week, or it will definitely help you plan out your meals. This is an expense tracker. Expense tracker is also there to have a check on your expenses. For having good and peaceful sleep, do try a gratitude journal. This is a gratitude journal and gives a sudden happiness. Anything new that you learned or something bad that has happened and you want to let it go, just try it for a week and do let me and that everyday know on Instagram. Tag us. Now, last page of the month is monthly checkup to have an overview of a particular month. Some questions are written here and you should give their answers to have a reality check. Like, did you achieve all the goals for this month? Am I satisfied with my habit tracker? Was I able to save money as much as money I planned to? And what can I do better next month for saving the money or in personal aspects? Did I take enough time for myself? This is more important. So having a check on a monthly review, it keeps you always on track. So these are the basic initial pages of the planner. So in the same way you have for every month, like the February calendar, the March calendar, the April calendar, May, June, July, August, September and goes on. So these you have to get yourself printed and also arrange it accordingly per every month. At the end, there is a blank page which is super useful for each one of you because we can play a lot with these blank pages. So as you all noticed, at the end of the planner, there is a blank page. You can use it in a way like take a printout of 30 pages, use some of them for a particular client so that all the work related to the client is stored at one place. Or if you're a student, you can just divide these pages into each subjects. Or you can just use these pages for your shopping lists, grocery list, etc. Or you can use these pages to plan a trip or plan an event as well. If you people do not want to invest in a high-end planner or do not want to invest in a very costly planner, you can receive this in the form of PDF and customize it as you want. It is not compulsory that you have to print each and every page or all of the pages that is mentioned in the planner. You can customize it by your needs. So this is why I'm saying that this PDF planner is the best planner and it is customizable. You will get a PDF of 31 pages. You have to customize according to your needs and then print it out. So basically, I'll put up an image here so that you'll have an idea on how to print them out. And the best part is this planner is only for 99 rupees and you get a complete unlimited access to it. Also, I'm planning a giveaway. One among my subscribers will be having the access to have a free planner, and also you have to tell me in the comment section below that why I need to offer you the planner. So please leave your answers in the comment section below. In case you want the planners, you'll have to direct message that Everyday Thought on Instagram. I'll leave you the link of the account in my description box below. Also, I will include the WhatsApp number that you can directly purchase it from her. Do check my description box below for more information of the planner 2021 for just rupees 99. That's all about today's video. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you so much. I wish you a very happy and a prosperous new year 2021. Let's stay safe. Thank you. See you again. Until next time.